So today what we're going to show you how to do is to replace or repair your slider on your zipper. What happens and how you know it's time for your zipper or slider to be replaced is if you open up your slider or close it and behind it, it just comes right open. Well, we know that's a bad slider. It's a pretty easy fix. When you're up hunting or camping in the field, all you have to do is take your pair of pliers and squeeze on each side of the zipper pull itself. And you want to do that so you're making contact with the front and the back of the zipper. And you just want to close it down so it comes in more friction with the zipper. Now when you get home, we can send you out a slider. It's pretty easy to do. All you need to do is take your pocket knife, pick the stitches from that leather patch up above your zipper, fold that back, and your zipper slider will slide right off of there. Grab your new slider, and what you have to be really aware of is the way you put the slider on. There's really two sides of a slider. If you're looking at it, and this is kind of an enlarged picture for you guys, but on the slider itself, there is a fat side and a skinny side, just like you see here in the channel. Well, this zipper itself also has a fat side and a skinny side. If you look at it, the front of your tent, as you're looking into the tent, that's going to be the fat side, where if you're inside your tent looking out, that's going to be the skinny side, and it also has the webbing kind of sewn over most of the zipper. So you need to correspond that when you put your slider on there. It's pretty easy to do. And you just kind of start one side, put it on a little ways, and then you grab the other side and you put it in a little bit. And you kind of have to work it till you get it everything in there just right. But once you get it that far, you should be able to just pull it straight down, throw your patch back over the top, and you can hand stitch this back on. I've even seen some outfitters and customers just glue it right down on top. Hope this helps you guys. If you have any questions, please give us a call, 1-877-355-2267. Thanks.